Neuropathy is so sad to me. It's so debilitating. I mean, we take for granted just walking. And some people have numbness and weakness in their feet, so they can't balance. This is constant torture. A lot of our patients come in with higher physical goals, and the neuropathy patients, a lot of their physical goals are simply being able to stand or being able to walk a few steps without pain.
You want to get out of bed in the morning, and then you don't want to get out of bed in the morning. Because when your feet touch the floor, it's so painful. I was almost wanting a wheelchair because it hurt that bad to walk.
Your feet feeling like they're on fire. This drives people mad. They even give antidepressive medicines to patients to deal with the pain. They try everything and nothing helps. That's the problem. CET is amazing. I didn't believe it at first. I actually drove 4 hours to a clinic that was doing it so I could see firsthand how it helped people. I was convinced enough to start doing it here. And when we did, it was amazing. We had people within a handful of visits, maybe 5-6 visits, they're starting to feel their limbs again. And it's been years.
We've had high hopes for certain things to work and they did not. So for Balance Flow to be working is absolutely wonderful.
We have so many people move on to doing rehab and physical therapy with us because they couldn't ever imagine even going to that because they were so limited. Like, how can I do exercises? But once you reestablish their function and they can feel their feet and they can control them again, now they're like, oh man, I can start pursuing these other things now, right? That I didn't even think was ever gonna be possible. We usually tell people, give it 6 visits and you should start feeling something. But some people feel things as early as 2 visits, 1 visit. Some people feel something right away. The amazing thing is our neuropathy treatment is completely covered by insurance. Neuropathy can come back. It's just like anything else. If we help you recover from your injury, can you injure that same part again? Yeah, you definitely can do it. Can you avoid it? Yes, you can definitely avoid it, right? If you take the right steps to sustain your recovery, it doesn't have to come back.